Hi fans, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make beans soup, which is also known as gbegiri. For this our soup we will need beans. Beans is one of the main ingredients here. So I'm going to use 2 cups of beans, and then as you can see in this my video, my beans has already been washed very well. So we set to put them on fire. So we're going to start by pouring all the washed beans inside the water to cook for like 40 minutes. So we're going to add in some chopped onions to cook. After adding in your chopped onions, you cover to cook for like 40 minutes. After coming back to check, after 40 minutes, this is how the beans will look like. It's going to be very soft, very soft. So you set it aside and allow it to cool down for like 20 minutes before you start to blend. After you allow your beans to cool down, then you start to blend. After blending, this is how the beans will look like. As you can see, it's very smooth. Then you add in your blended pepper. After adding in your blended pepper, you add in your seasoning. That's your maggi cubes. So I'm using just 2 cubes of maggi. So I'm going to peel them one by one and then pour in. Then you give it a little stir. Give it a little stir. Just stir it for some times, and then you allow it to boil for like 2 to 3 minutes. And you see how very smooth the beans is after blending. So it's time to add in our palm oil. Just 1 spoon of this palm oil will do. You won't like your gbegiri to have plenty of oil, so 1 spoon will do. You give it a little stir. Give it a little stir. This our gbegiri can be paired with any of the swallow that you like, but I prefer mine with amala or tuwo rice. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.